Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's just having an awesome day. I've had a great day today. But we got some sticker videos going on. We're trying to catch up. So with this one going on right here, this is Mr. Scotty420 from the Wet Basement. Y'all need to go check out his channel. He does your herbal medication. Again, wet basement, so he's growing it right there, right? Well, it's all legal where he's at, and it's medication purposes, right? It's awesome stuff. But y'all need to go check out his channel. I'm gonna put a sticker up on the wall, and I got a magnet to go with that, which is just too cool. We're gonna put that on the lathe, I do believe. But it's got a little note right here. It says, "Congrats on their friendship. Love watching your shows. Keep up the good work. Here's a small token of friendship back. Much love, Scotty420." Again, y'all go check out his videos. He's got his wet basement going on right there. Beautiful, beautiful videos. If you're into this stuff, you won't be disappointed. And then you got to go check out these crazy things he's got going on. Brain rot reels, I believe they are. I love watching them, y'all. But again, thank you so much for the stickers, and the magnet is just awesome, and I love everything that comes with it. Yes, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But I'm gonna flip the camera up and show y'all the sticker on the wall. We've already got it up there. This is take two because we messed up the first time with the audio. Yeah, you gotta love it. But, here we go. We got him on the wall right there, dead center show. No problems with that. But all right, y'all go check out Scotty's channel. His link will be in the description, and then everybody else's channel that we got going on up in there, everybody's link will be in the description. Y'all go check them out. Awesome stuff going on here. Awesome stuff. But thank you so much, everybody. Remember, stay awesome, stay laid back, and it's got to remember this: it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody.
The mist curling thick.